Nungelam hedu jong Seng NPP Conrad Sangma mantaga Seng la ther ting yeki Seng ki battery lang ha kasokar MDE ki bra le keleng kisnong jong Sohiong kan si ban kran ben ban ther yeka Seng NPP haba kren ga jing la election ha pokrang ban kan bas na kam tau ba samne malangang kotong jong NPP Conrad ula ong begini ki ju ki Seng ki trilang bak NPP haba ki sobiang ha kasokar de haba ko election pat ki le kelang ban ther ban kran ben persya yeka NPP Ula punya stream yaki bakilong kum ketugi brio ke bynthiew ilaka jong pliang ja ya ka bakajat ndio khasi bat garu kapriang setia ya kar komle ko kum
this Mamaram road. When a leader leads, you must carry your people along. You must fight for your people, but at the same time you must respect others. Then there are many other political parties. They will come here and give so many speeches against the National People's Party. They will work with the National People's Party when it is convenient for them. And when the election campaign comes, they will go and speak against the National People's Party. Friends, I want to tell them, in our culture, in the Indian culture as well as in the Khasi culture and in the Garo culture also, we don't spit on the plate from which we eat. Please remember, we don't. We are good and we are kind and we work together because we believe in working together. It is sad today to see some of these leaders giving this speech today just because election is coming. I have never uttered a single word against these people. But it hurts me today when I hear such language and such divisive politics that people are playing. This is not healthy for our people and for our state. Assembly. But the same political parties will then go to Delhi and then urge Delhi that please give us this, please give us that. What kind of hypocrisy is this? You will make fun on one hand, and on the other hand you will still demand. I'll tell you, you ask these political parties and these leaders, you go beyond Khanapara and I don't think you will be able to do anything. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Friends, we must remember we are in a global world. The world is changing. We need to work and move with others. That does not mean that we are giving up on what we believe. That does not mean that we are looking at ourselves and putting ourselves down. No. But we believe in cooperating and working with others to take our state and take our people forward. But there are some people and some political parties who will continuously speak in such a negative way. And as I said, once they go beyond Khanapara, they will not be able to understand anything or able to speak anything.